This is going to be a quick unboxing of the new Kindle. This is the basic version. Let's open it up. There's nothing inside. It's empty. This is all the things that you get. It is quite sleek, I would say. And has USB-C. Not sure. And you get the cable. It does say USB-C. So this is the cable you get. USB to USB-C. And some instruction manuals as usual. So looking at the specs, it's a 6-inch display and the resolution is 300 pixels per inch on this one. And it has 16 gigs of storage, which would be good enough. And then you got 6 weeks of battery life, and that's about it. And I feel like it's it's 25% faster than the last gen Kindle. And there's no auto adjusting front light sensor or adjustable warm light, and it doesn't have wireless charging. No flush front design like you can find on the other Kindles. No waterproofing. Let's turn it on. The main concern for me with this Kindle would be if it's fast enough or not. And again, the color on this one is black. There are two color options, black or matcha. And the Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition has metallic black or metallic jade. I would say it does feel like it's a bit faster than the last gen. And I feel like you can comfortably hold it in your hands. It's not that heavy. And there's no curve shape. Like with the previous versions, I reckon there was a curve shape at the back, but not with this one. Let's see if it's fast enough or not. So the main thing which I wanted to test out with this Kindle is if the page turns are fast enough or not. What's going on? Okay. Okay, it's faster than the last gen. Let's see if it's good for PDF or Kindle books. So the only thing that you can see on here is the brightness. There's no warm light on this one. and you can just only adjust the brightness, and it only gets the max brightness is 24, and that's 0. Okay, the page turns are pretty good. I feel like they're comparable to the one on the Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition, because that's what I've been using as my daily driver. Let's check how does it fare with the highlights. Okay, it's a bit slower when you try to use the dictionary, but the highlight functionality is good enough. I feel like it's quite useful. Again, good design. You got USB-C and on and off button. It's probably good enough for single hand use. You can turn, reach the words on the other end with using just one hand. Yeah, and this is the Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition. So we'll check out the brightness and turn off the warmth. Feel like for some reason the text on the Paperwhite Signature Edition feels a bit more sharp. It could be the light, or it could be something else. Let me know what you guys think, and yeah.